Sorry guys, so yeah, I'm trying to see if this is gonna work. I'm trying to jack this rear end up. See if I can get it up here where I can start working on it. I might need one other person, but as always, I gotta try to figure it out the best way I can. Because I'm hoping when I pick it up, it don't swing. So let me see what's gonna happen. There we go. Oh, that's better. Sorry guys, starting off here, I'm just gonna spray this down with the regular degreaser. Then I come in with the brake cleaner now. Remember that brake cleaner is flammable, guys. Highly flammable. So somebody said that in one of the comments, and then I had to think about it like, yeah, well, you would think everybody would know that. Then I had to think about it. Well, some guys might not know or realize, so I figure I'd let you know that the brake cleaner that I use to clean these up, clean all my greasy stuff up, is highly flammable, guys. So pay attention to that and watch out. But all I'm doing right now, guys, is just gonna spray the degreaser on here before I come in. And all I'm gonna be doing is, you watch any of my other videos, I'm gonna be POR15 and then etch primer. Now I'm doing another test, guys, to see if any old regular etching primer will work. So stay tuned for that video, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna come in and spray this down. Cleaned up pretty good. Alright, so I come in, I got a bucket up under there, drain pan, catch all the grease that's coming off of this rear end. So, just wanna, it's not real dirty, but I wanna scrape the majority of the big stuff off of here before I use the brake cleaner. Like I said, that brake cleaner is highly flammable, guys. So I'm gonna flip it over. So I'm gonna leave these shocks and stuff on here for now, so I can use them to stop this rear end from moving around. So I'm probably gonna, one of the last things I'm gonna do is take those shocks off of here. So yeah, I'm just trying to get all of this heavy grease off of here right now, guys. Alright guys, so with these brake lines, wheel cylinders, I'm gonna get a ratchet for this, but I hit this already, guys. I want to make sure all of these come loose, so because I don't want to this rear end is outside, so I don't want moistness, no more moistness getting in here. I put a screw in there, look, that screw fell out already. So I don't want moistness getting all in here, clogging up these wheel cylinders, guys. But I did a video on how to unclog them too. So it can be done without getting new ones, but I do want to try to save as much of this stuff as I can save. So that way, if can't find any, because some of this stuff has been hard to find for the older cars now. So so I want to try to get all of these lines and stuff off of here. Alright, so then I'm going to get these wheel cylinders off of here today, right away. Just trying to make sure all of this stuff breaks loose. So I already turned the bleeding screw, so the bleeding screw is good. So I should be able to clean these up and reuse these brake cylinders, guys. Alright, so guys, hey, I know they probably still sell these tools. This is one that my dad had. I never knew what this front part was for, guys. Is that the hook on? Anybody out there know? Tell me what that front part is for on these pliers. I just never know. But I do know that these you can kind of use these, press down. Well, press down and get these off of here. And then I normally I use this to put in here. And it works the majority of the time. But this one will be stubborn. Let's go the other way with it. Yeah, go the other way with it. I don't know what that's for there, but all right, so this whole brake assembly come off of there now. Funny thing is, guys, I got electric tools. I still always finding myself using a ratchet because for so many years I didn't have anything. So with this, guys, I'm gonna put these screws back in here, and then also, you watched any of my other videos, oh my God, my piece fell off. I hope it didn't break. Oh my God, where is it at? I think I got some more of them. So like I said, I put plugs in there. Make sure the bleeding screw is closed up, and I'll clean this up and paint it, but for now I'm gonna just put both of these. I gotta take the other one off still for the other side. Put both of these in a plastic bag, seal it up, and then I ain't gotta worry about moistness getting in there clogging that up, because if you don't, guys, the moistness will get in there and clog them up down. Just for my verification, the one with the white dot is from the left, from the right side, the passenger side of the rear end. All right.